Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of Baldi. This time it's gonna be in his farmer uniform. So here is my full pencil sketch, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So let's draw Baldi, and the face is pretty much going to be the same as the other versions. So we're going to start out with his eyes. Just draw one circle and then come across. It's kind of far apart. Just draw another circle and then inside. Another circle. And then I'll just shade that in. Nice and easy with a Sharpie. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw his nose. So right in between the eyes, you can make a little point. and then just draw in 2 little lines slanting out. And then for the bottom here, just round it out. That's gonna give us his nose. And then we're gonna keep going down, we're gonna draw his mouth. So right underneath the nose right here, just 1 line across. And then on the bottom here, just round it out. And then 1 more line, just go side to side here. Alright, and then we'll draw in the, looks like a stalk of corn that he's kind of biting in his mouth. We'll draw that later. We're going to draw in the rest of his face first. So right over his eyes, just draw 1 long line. And then now for his face, we'll start out with a bracket. Just kind of round around his facial features. And then once you get to the bottom here, just curve it out the other way and just come down, and we'll just close that off first. Okay, and then let's draw in his hat. So he's got his little farmer's hat. Just flare this out. And then on the top here, I'm just gonna zigzag all the way around, because I think it's supposed to be like some kind of straw, right? Like a straw hat. Alright, and then once we have that, right in the middle right here, just gonna go out with 2 lines. And then just close this off. So this part is really easy. Okay, so let's finish up the head right here. Right in between his lip right here, I'm just gonna add a little line coming out. And then just add a little kind of like an almond shape. Alright, so that's gonna give us his head. And then now for his body, very simple. From the neck here, line going straight out. And then we'll come down, all the way down. And then just close it off. Alright, so that's the body shape. And then now for the suspenders, just come out to the side of the neck right here. Let's draw 2 lines. And then round off the bottom. So same thing on this side. And then right here, I'll just add a little circle. And then just come back up here and draw a line all the way across. Okay, so now let's draw in his arm. So start on the shoulder here, just come out and then go all the way down, just curve it right around here. Okay, so here's his armpit right here. So this is just a little bar. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. Come on the shoulder. Let's curve all the way down. Come back to the armpit. Alright, so then from here, let's draw his hands. So it's really simple. Start on the inside here. Just come down and just draw like a really long hook. So that's gonna be his thumb, and then we'll come back up here. That's gonna be the back of his palm. We'll just keep going down and then just round it, go back up into the thumb right there. Okay, so same thing here. Just come down, 1 big hook. Just round it and go back up. Okay, so now for his legs, again, super easy. So here's the middle. Just come over to the side here. 1 line and then just draw 1 more. Okay, so here's the middle. Just come over. It's basically 2 little bars coming down. And then for his shoe, Just come down this side, and then on this one, just go out a little bit more. Yeah, really cartoony stuff. Let's come out a little bit more on this side and close it off. Okay, so that's the full body, and then lastly for the little checker patterns on his body and arm. So this one's really easy. We just draw a bunch of lines. And then just try to space it out as best as you can to make them into squares. Okay, so once you have that, I'm just gonna divide this one up. Mine is a little bit like a rectangle, but that's okay. So one line in the center for the arm, and then we'll just divide that up. Alright, and since I have a Sharpie, I'm just gonna fill this in. So it's nice and easy with a thick Sharpie. Okay, so in here, let's start out with this one. Okay, so this one's gonna be black, so this one's gonna be black here. So this one's gonna be black, so this one. And one more. And that is it for this farmer Baldi. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.